mga sinauna.
Fossil.
Yes, a fossil.
Oh my gosh.
Old coin.
Oh.
Ano yung cats?
Fossil.
Fossil na.
Dinosaur.
Mga fossil yan, mga na-discover nila. Ay no. Mga sinauna, tingnan mo. Dating mga maliliit na isda. Ay no, maliliit na isda yan. Nakukay nila.
Basta yan, mabuti na.
Oo. Fossil, mga buto nga.
It looks like it's on the wall. What is that?
Matagal na siguro. Tusk. Dinosaur bone, no? What's that?
Mamahal to ka?
Oo.
Ano yung mga tao na yan?
Ayan, balat, oh.
Ano yan?
Sinaunang tao.
Ano ginawa ang tao?
Mga pangil, oh.
Anong gawa ng tao? Ganyan ang tao dati, manggoy?
Oo.
Ha?
Mm-mm.
It's Ursula horns.
Fangs, oh.
Daddy, Daddy, Daddy. Look, there's sounds.
Fangs.
Sounds.
Fangs. Fangs.
Sounds. I see
The hammer before. They used this hammer.
huh?
The ancient hammer.
Engine hammer, but the hammer's broken. Oh, that's the fixed hammer. Daddy, that's the fixed hammer.
Yes.
But what's that? What's that? Daddy, what's that?
That's for making fire.
Now I have things to put in civics.
Okay, take picture, Gwen. Gwen, take picture. Maybe one time you need this one. The needle.
The
I
needle?
remember before when there was a project about the Roman Empire.
Bronze Age. That's the Bronze Age, ate.
Yeah, that's the Bronze Age. Daddy, what's this? Daddy, what's that?
A jar.
A jar. What's that in the face? What's that face, Daddy? Wait, what's that? Is that more jars? What's that? What's that? What? Wait, what?
It's a skull.
Oh. Can somebody got dead?
Diyan nakuha yan, oh. Ano. Nakuha nila yan.
Nakuha ano yan?
Libingan.
Libingan na.
Tao. Ayun, sige. Ayun, diyan sila nakalibing.
More skulls? I hate these skulls.
This is a big jar, look.
Oh, these skulls.
Don't touch it, Kyle. Maybe it break. Then I put you inside. Yeah, and I put you inside.
What?
2000 BC, before Christ.
Oh, 2000 BC?
Bronze Age 2.
It's two? What's big, Daddy? Daddy, what's big?
Yeah. 3,000 to 2,000 before Christ.
Oh.
This is 3,500 before Christ.
Skull.
What the?
This is the first stone material, stone hammer.
That's the stone.
It's 5,500 before Christ.
Yes.
Diyan nila nahukay.
I'll play.
Now we are in the second part.
We teleport.
Oljor, this is 9th and 7th century before Christ.
Yes. Daddy,
Parang bago pa
we
rin.
teleport here.
Huh?
We teleport here.
Yes.
What? What's that? Is that
Yung mga nabasag, binuo na lang nila. Oh.
Daddy.
Parang mga Egypt sa Egypt, ano? Ang ganda ng mga gawa nila, ano?
Daddy. Daddy. Who's that? How is a broken leg?
Parang mo sila mag-drawing dati.
Ang galing nga, tingnan mo nga. Lang yun.
Daddy, is that the animal?
Yes.
I saw an animal.
Ay, yung sulat, yung ano na yan, yung drawing na yan. Noon pa yan, 2000.
Oo, noon pa yan, no? Before Christ pa yan.
Yung drawing.
Oo.
Yun ba yung drawing na taas? Hindi siguro.
Eto hindi na yan. Pero yan ang, yan mga yan ang mga una.
Ang gabago ko rin naman ng laki dati.
Paano nila, ano, hulba yan, ano?
It's for me. It's for me, Daddy. Wow. This is not started yet. Daddy, this is not started yet.
Hindi sila nasa saplot dati.
Hindi.
Wala silang saplot.
Why start?
Hug! Kani, hug daw, hug! Anito, mga anito.
Ano yun, Nay?
Hindi.
Nag-live ka?
Hindi ah. This is 4th century. After death, after Christ. After ano yun, patay na si Kristo. Ayun yun, no? Dahil sa mga Stone Age. May mga drawing po. Oh. Diyan daw nila nahukay.
Wait for me. What?
Ito yung lupa, pati lupa kinuha nila.
Lupa lang.
Eh, pati lupa kinuha nila. Papel yan eh. Kaya mo, sinauna. Oh.
Ah!
Whoa, what's that?
That's leather coin.
Ano yan? Kailan yan?
Daddy, it's now I
This is Bronze Age, I think.
Daddy, don't step in that.
Okay.
Tagal na ako sila.
Daddy, come here.
Ano ka nang sila sa post? Post there.
No.
It's okay, no, it's okay. Here, okay.
Ito laruan siguro nila, laruan.
What the? What? Can we fix it? But how can we fix it? It's running. What happened to your eyes? Daddy, what happened to your eyes?
Siguro mamahal yan, ano?
Daddy, what happened to your eyes?
Loko.
Daddy,
Yes, I don't know.
how is broken? Maybe with that. Is that an arm?
Yes.
Oh no.
Sulat to.
Oh my gosh, that screamed me.
Yes.
There's potions, Daddy. There's potions.
Yan ang mga mahal. Pawn Star. Dapat dalhin natin dito sa Pawn Star.
Anong constant?
Yan o, mga gold yan o. Nak. Diyan ang hukay. Wait, Nak, wait. I'm coming there.
Diyan pa, nahuli lahat to eh. Sa may ano eh.
Pinunta natin. May cross na o. Cross. Ito mga ano, mga glass. Gawa na sa glass.
Wait, come here, Daddy.
Go home na.
29 is more tarium limestone. 32 sa glass. 33 sa glass. Ay! What na? Yan ang mga mahal, mama, oh.
Tapos kan mo.
17. Gold. Ring.
What's 18?
18 is glass ring.
That's
Ring
11.
silver.
That's 11.
Number 1 is terracotta.
Okay, pause.
Huh? What? Medusa?
Medusa-headed necklace pendulum.
24. That one, Medusa. That's snake.
Dionysius head.
Third part.
Maano yan?
Tool, sculptor. Yan yung mga ginamit nila pang ano, pang ukit sa mga batong ganito. Incomplete head. Hindi pa daw tapos. Ayun, no? Incomplete head. It's a Roman period.
It's incomplete head.
Yes.
Now, what's
Incomplete head daw eh.
incomplete head? What's
Limestone.
limestone? That's a limestone, Daddy.
Yan ang ginagamit daw nila noon.
Listen
No?
to me. Hear what I'm saying.
Yes, I'm here. Come here, come here.
Stone. I like the stone. And what's that stone here? What is that here, Daddy?
Yes, it's a lion relief.
Here.
Galing ano?
This one, Daddy. This one.
Wait. Ito, nagiba na. Oh.
It's broken.
Binuo na lang nila.
Daddy, Daddy, it's broken.
2nd century before Christ.
What? What's this?
Galing. Butasin nila yan. Ano? Roman period. Marble. Tingnan mo paggawa nila, no? Grabe, no? Marble.
Marble, Daddy.
Langyaw. Maukit nila ito, oh. Tingnan mo.
Daddy, Daddy.
Sing after death.
After death? Daddy,
Oh, nak.
Daddy, after she's dead?
Yes. Nemesis. Second after death.
How she's dead? How is she dead?
After death.
After she's dead?
Ang lalaki, oh. Emperor, ma'am, si Hadrian, no? Emperor Hadrian.
Tignan na itsura niya. Okay, picture mo ako, Adrian.
Umusog ka dito. Yan. Ayun siya, oh, Emperor Hadrian.
Why she's fat, Daddy?
Ayun siya mo. Hadrian.
Picture mo ako, Adrian. Bilis.
1, 2. Go to mama. 1, 2, 3.
What?
Sino yan?
What happened?
Young Faustina.
That's gonna give me a nightmare from a night. Daddy. That's gonna give me a nightmare.
Hadrian din. Oh. Si Hadrian din.
Daddy, siya born si Daddy.
Dapat siya pinipicturean eh, para alam yung pangalan eh. Tatlong grupo. Ito ang ano, the three graces.
Graces. Mine looks like a lunch.
Pag dressed woman, hindi nila alam kung sino. Statue of dressed woman, hindi alam. After that, pagtapos ni Christ.
Bago pa lang yan.
After, 2000 na rin. Clerk. Apollo, priest Apollo. Emperor priest.
Picture mo ako, di. Ganyan pa ganyan.
Dito lang. Aphrodite.
Daddy, this is so creepy. This is so creepy. You're gonna give me a nightmare.
Dami niya, no?
Daddy? Hate you. I don't like you anymore.
Sa theater. Ganda oh. Sacrifice, mga isa-sacrifice nila. Hermes. Si Hermes. Ang galing, tingnan mo. Pa-ukwiti-ukwiti nila to. Ito, invisible. Stage of the invisible. Oh, kita nyo? Yan pa pala sa taas. Oh. Emperor Trajan. Alexander the Great, oh. Alexander the Great. Yan si Alexander the Great. The historical king. Queen, you take picture Alexander the Great? Ma, picturean mo ko mabilis. Alexander the Great. May bata, kunin mo. Mga kuluan ito yung mga nicho. Yan yung mga kulungan dati. Ano, kulungan? Nicho dati. Khan, come here. Tik-tikin nila yan, ano? Tignan mo, oh. Maing bata ma. Uy. No, don't go there.
Not allowed.
Mm-mm. Bilib talaga ako. Paano nila inaano to? Tignan mo. Paano nila hulmahin yan, ha? No?
Marble to, no?
Hmm. Dito ako pupunta. Dito, kanina ko pa tayo nahanap eh. Ito ang mga painting na mahal. Tingnan mo na, they are colored by gold. Yes. See?
What does it say? What does it say?
This is the time of price.
Never listen to me, Daddy. Shut up.
Stand up there. Ano, come here. You're going to do the...
People have wings.
Hmm?
Isa, si Mary yan?
Mm. Oh, Mother Mary.
Do people have wings?
Yes, they think
Huh?
they think they have wings. Oh,
Parang pa ni Jesus Christ.
oh. Tingnan mo ilan yan? How many of them? 13?
Yan ang talaga itsura.
13 yan? 13?
Ganito talaga itsura ni Mary?
Bilangan mo, ilang apostol yan?
Yan talaga sila apostol?
Oo. Siyempre, hindi ganong magaling ang nag-picture o nag-paint. Dito naman tayo sa Roman period. The coins. Yun ang mga coins nila. From East Roman period. Tapos ito. Yan. silver coin and gold coin. Mga nahukay yan dati. Ito naman gold coin.
You're so talented.
Yes. See?
What's this?
This small. Small silver coin.
There's more silver. So, Daddy, don't listen to me again, okay? Daddy? Oh my gosh.
Lalo nagbibideo ko. Gold coin na. Coins of Olympus, ate, oh. Coin of Olympus.
What Olympus?
One of God of goddesses. Alexander III, oh.
Oh no.
King Philip II.
King Philip.
King Philip II.
Bro, shut up.
Stop crying, ah. Stop crying, ah. Stop crying. Augustus, King Augustus. Sige, sige. Dapat pala, ito pag nakakuha tayo sa inyo, tapos benta natin kaya sa Pawn Star. Ang mahal siguro niya na, no? Ito medyo bago na to. 18th century.
Isa ka nakalagay ng 610, 641.
Yung panahon.
Why is the glass so transparent?
Before yan,
Why
before.
is the glass so transparent? Transparent.
Yan yung coin ng mga taon. After AD na siguro yan. Arabic ko. Arabic.